very good morning to all. Today we'll be doing the exercise of chapter number 12, that is Age of Exploration. So in the previous class we discussed about the different and famous European explorers. Now for more information about them you can go through different videos and you can also go through the website which is given at the back of your textbook. So you can see there a token which is the registration for that website. So you can go through different videos to get more information about them. Now in page number 94 you can see zoom in. So it's a piece of information and the fact is that the America are generally believed to have been named after Amerigo Vespucci, an Italian explorer, navigator and a cartographer. So here cartographer is a person who draws or creates map. So it's a piece of information for you. Now let's move on to the exercise part. But before that you have chapter checklist. So you have to tick the concepts which you have understood. Now here the first exercise is name the following. So the first one, the Moluccas or the Maluku Islands were earlier known as the dash. So you have to write the correct answer. Second one, the cape which was earlier known as the Cape of Storms is the dash. Third one, a strait below South America discovered by Magellan later came to be known as the dash. Fourth one, the sailor who is credited with the discovery of the New World, Americas, was dash. So you have to write the name of the explorer. Fifth one, the place where Vasco da Gama reached in India was dash. So here you have to write the name of that place. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, the Moluccas or the Maluku Islands were earlier known as the correct answer is Spice Islands. Second one, the cape which was earlier known as the Cape of Storms is the correct answer is Cape of Good Hope. Third one, a strait below South America discovered by Magellan later came to be known as the Strait of Magellan. So this is the correct answer. Fourth one, the sailor who is credited with the discovery of the New World, Americas, was, and the name is Christopher Columbus. Fifth one, the place where Vasco da Gama reached in India was Calicut, now Kozhikode. So these are the answers of the first exercise and you have to write it in your notebook. Now let's move on to the second exercise. The question is choose the correct option. So you can see here for every question there are 4 options and you have to choose the correct one. So the first question, Magellan set out to sail around the world in, and the options are A, 1519 CE, B, 1498 CE, C, 1619 CE and the last one D, 1492 CE. So you have to choose the correct option. Second one, the first European to sail around the southern tip of Africa was, the options are A, Vasco da Gama, B, Bartholomew Dias, C, Christopher Columbus, D, Ferdinand Magellan. Third question, the first navigator to open the Americas to the European settlement was, the options are A, Christopher Columbus, B, Leif Erikson, C, Ferdinand Magellan, D, Vasco da Gama. Fourth question, in the year 1498, Vasco da Gama reached. So the options are A, Cochin, B, the Moluccas, C, Middle East, D, Calicut. Fifth one, the Portuguese explorer who died in Cochin was, the options are A, Christopher Columbus, B, Ferdinand Magellan, C, Vasco da Gama, the last one D, Bartholomew Dias. Now let's check the answer. So here first one, Magellan set out to sail around the world in the year 1519 CE. Second one, the first European to sail around the southern tip of Africa was, The correct answer is Bartholomew Dias. Third one, the first navigator to open the Americas to the European settlement was, the correct answer is Christopher Columbus. Fourth one, in the year 1498, Vasco da Gama reached the correct answer is Calicut. Fifth one, the Portuguese explorer who died in Cochin was, the answer is Vasco da Gama. Now let's move on to the third exercise. Answer the following questions. So here the first question is, what is meant by the age of exploration? And the correct answer is, the age of exploration was the period when the Europeans began exploring the world via sea travels in search of new trading routes, wealth and knowledge. Second question, how was the discovery of the Cape of Good Hope beneficial for the Europeans? And the correct answer is, the Cape of Good Hope marked the opening of a new sea route to the east. With the opening of this new sea route, Europeans could trade directly with East Africa, India and other parts of Asia. Thus, it was beneficial to the Europeans. Third question, why did King John II rename the Cape of Storms as the Cape of Good Hope? And the correct answer is, King John II named the Cape of Storms as the Cape of Good Hope as it marked the opening of a new sea route and had immense possibilities of trade. Fourth question, how did Vasco da Gama's successful trip to India help Western Europe? And the answer is, Western Europe was immensely benefited by Vasco da Gama's successful trip to India, as they could now avoid the dangerous caravan routes of the Middle East and Central Asia. Fifth question, why did Columbus get the credit for discovering America? The answer is, Christopher actually set out to discover Asia, but ended up discovering the islands of the Caribbean. In his later voyages, he visited Cuba, Haiti and the coast of Central America. Hence, he has been credited with the discovery of America. Now, next exercise is think it over, and the question is, find out what significance Vasco da Gama holds for the people of Portugal. Is he considered to be a major historical figure there? Why? Now, the correct answer is, Vasco da Gama is considered to be a historical figure in Portugal and commands a lot of respect even today. He was the first to establish a trade route to India. He increased the wealth of Portugal through trade, and Vasco da Gama's expeditions along the coast of Africa and to India improved Portugal's economy and its expansion of trade. So, this answer you can write it in your own words also. Now, next is the activity corner. So, here you can see 4 activities: map work, life skill, value check. Map work. Can you guess which explorer discovered the sea route shown on the given map? So, you can see there in page number 96 a map. Now, you can see that they started sailing from Lisbon, Portugal, and they directly reached to India through the Cape of Good Hope. And they had several stops in Africa like Mozambique, Mombasa, Malindi. So, you have to guess whose exploration is this, and you have to write the answer in your notebook. Next exercise, life skill. The question is, imagine that you are a present day explorer. Which new land would you like to explore? Which mode of transport will you use for exploration? How will you raise the fund for your journey of exploration? So, you have to imagine and you have to write the answer in your notebook, and then you have to submit this life skill activity in Microsoft Teams. Next one is value check. The question is, When you hear about something new, do you get curious? So you have to write the answer in your notebook with proper date. Now there's an extra activity for you. You all might have heard about the adventures of Robin Hood. If not, then you can spend some time in watching the videos related to the adventures of Robin Hood. This is your extra activity part. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.